Welcome children. In our last period we have begun with a new poetry, that is Yugmamala. First 3 verses we have already seen, and now let us move to the 4th verse. उत्तमो नातिवक्ता स्यादधमो बहुभाषते सुवर्णेन ध्वनिस्तादृक् यादृक् कांसे प्रजायते. See the first line. उत्तमो नातिवक्ता स्यात् अधमः बहुभाषते. उत्तमो नातिवक्ता. These two words is a combination of 3 words. Uttamah plus na plus ativakta. You can see just below the verse the sandhi is dissolved for you. Uttama means the best, excellent. Na means not. Ativakta means over speaker, one who has the habit of keep speaking all the time. Syadadhamo bahu. Again there are 2 words and they are combined with the combination of 3 words, that is syat plus adhamah plus bahu. Syat is a verb, it is a kriya pad, and it is applicable to the first part of the verse, that is uttamah na ativakta syat. Means the best person should not speak a lot. A best person should not be an over speaker, because adhamah bahubhashate. Adhamah, the lowest kind of people. Best and lowest. Bahu bhashate. Bahu means lot and bhashate means speaks. It is a kriya pad again. Because the people, those who are at lower level, that means those who know very little, they speak a lot. The best and those who are educated, well learned, they should not speak very much, because the low level people, they keep speaking all the time. For that one example is given. Suvarne na dhvanihi tadruk. Tadruk means that much. Dhvanihi means sound. And Suvarne means in the gold. Suvarna, the synonymous words will be hema. Okay. Dhvanihi plus tadruk plus yadruk plus kausya. Again the sandhi is resolved here. 4 words are combined in a single word. And the pair of words which is used over here is yadruk, tadruk. Means this much sound, that much of sound is not created in gold. If you just try to make sound of gold, it will hardly create any sound, because it is excellent, it is the best. Yadruk kausya prajayate. Yadruk, as much as. Kausya is the name of a metal, that is the bronze. In bronze. Suvarne, kausya, both the words are in saptami, means in that particular metal. Prajayate is produced. Prajayate is a kriya pad which means is produced. So in gold the sound is not that much created as much as it is created or it is produced with bronze. So bronze, you know, it though both the metals look alike in color wise, similar, but still you know what is the cost of gold and what is the cost of kausya. So therefore, just as the gold doesn't make a lot of sound, in the same way excellent people should not speak very much. And kausya, that means the bronze which is of not much importance or which is not very expensive, it makes a lot of sound. Therefore this kausya makes the more sound, just as a lower level people. Therefore a good person, an intelligent person, an educated learned person should not speak lot. Hope you have understood. Here the pair of words, again I am telling you, in this box you can see they are given in two words are given in different way, and the sandhi is dissolved for you, so you can write it down in your notebook. Let us move to the next verse. यादृशं वपते बीजं क्षेत्रमासाद्य कर्षकः सुकृते दुष्कृते वापि तादृशं लभते फलम्. यादृशं वपते बीजं. Vapate, this word you have seen in the first chapter. Vapate means to sow. Vapate means is sown. Bijam means seed. Yadrusham means whatever kind of. यादृशम जसं, मराठीमध्ये आपण जसं म्हणतो, जसं तसं. यादृशम तादृशम मीन्स जसं तसं. यादृशम वपते बीजम म्हणजे जसं बी पेरू. क्षेत्रम आसाद्य कर्षकः. Kshetram asadya karshakah. Karshakah means a farmer. So the kind of seed is sown by the karshak, farmer. Sukrute dushkrute vapi tadrusham labhate phalam. The kind of seed a farmer sows gets the fruit accordingly. In the same way, sukrute dushkrute vapi. Vapi is a combination of again two words, va plus api. Sukruta means good deeds, in good deeds, and dushkruta means in bad deed. So same is the case with us also. If we do something good, the fruit will be, of course, the result will be in the same manner. And if we do something bad, accordingly you will get the result. Just as a farmer gets the fruit as he sows the seed. The quality of seeds he sows, the quality of same quality he gets as a result of whatever he has sown. So in the same way, human beings also will get the fruit of as they behave according to their behavior. Hope this is also understood properly. Now let us recite it because it is for recitation, learning by heart. Okay. यथा चतुर्भिः कनकं परीक्षते निघर्षणछेदनतापताडनैः तथा चतुर्भिः पुरुषः परीक्षते श्रुतेन शीलेन गुणेन कर्मणा. यत्र विद्वज्जनो नास्ति श्लाघ्यस्तत्राल्पधीरपि निरस्तपादपे देशे एरण्डोऽपि द्रुमायते. तावद्भयाद्धिभेतव्यं यावद्भयमनागतम् आगतं तु भयं वीक्ष नरः कुर्याद्यथोचितम्. उत्तमो नातिवक्ता स्यादधमो बहुभाषते सुवर्णेन ध्वनिस्तादृक् यादृक्कांसे प्रजायते. यादृशं वपते बीजं क्षेत्रमासाद्य कर्षकः सुकृते दुष्कृते वापि तादृशं लभते फलम्. Again, write down the complete Yugmamala in your notebook and have the practice of writing every verse 2 times every day so that it can be very easily learned by heart by you all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.